Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I am pumped. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Dell Pro 7 rechargeable compact keyboard and mouse. You have the keyboard over here and the mouse. You will notice that it is a dual layout, which is awesome. The mouse will do up to 6,000 DPI, which is great to see. And then one of the cool things with this combo, on top of it being rechargeable, it does have a supercapacitor technology that if you charge it for 5 seconds, you can get a full day's worth of use. So that's awesome to see. We'll go through the features, we'll do some testing on it later, but let's jump into the unboxing. This would be a compact, quiet combo keyboard and mouse. Moment of truth. Charging cable, Type C to Type C. KM746. Warranty, safety, regulatory information. And then if you need to look at the full bottom, nothing else. Take a look at the mouse. Ooh-wee. Fast scroll. Forward, backwards. Input modes here. On, off. Dongle right over here. I've done a few videos on this mouse already, but I certainly will unpack it, but love to see that. What everyone's probably here for is this guy over here, which would be the keyboard. Super quiet. So from a layout perspective, you do have the dedicated buttons here. You will see the full-size arrow keys, which is awesome. You have your number pad, so if you're working on the go, pretty slim in terms of the overall design. Can definitely fit in a bag pretty easily. If you have seen our old KM746Ws, this would be your natural kind of transition. You have the keyboard and the mouse combo. So you will notice that this here you do have some new functionality. This is your speech input. Over here is where you would actually change, hey, do I want to use the USB dongle? Do I want Bluetooth input number 2, number 3? You will see some additional and over here I mentioned the dongle. So let's pull it out. pop that. So it won't fall out when I need it. Take it and go. Pretty smart in terms of design. Everything you need can go right into your backpack and you're ready to hit the day. So over here, this would be the input. Do I put on Windows? Do I put on Mac? Do I turn it off? You will see the option to change. Charging again. That spot for the dongle. Rubber feet. Pretty slick. Let's fire it up, do some testing, and carry on. So we have the KM746 plugged in. This is first time load. So you're seeing some customization of the mouse. And then for the keyboard, taking a look at the console. So this is Dell Display and Peripheral Manager version 2.2.2.8, which is the latest version as of today's date. We've got all of my devices that are plugged in. So this is going to be the one we're talking about right now, which is the KB746. So you do have some customization over here for the various different keys up top and so forth, depending on what you're doing, as you see. And then for the mouse, you have standard mouse settings. So primary, do you want left, right? DPI settings. So I'm going to crank that all the way up to 6,000. Polling rate, 125 hertz, 250, 333, different directions. And then customization for the buttons up top. Do you want to trigger certain actions, certain things? But other than that, this is the KM746 compact rechargeable keyboard and mouse. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.